Congress MP Rahul Gandhi met with representatives of the 17 major farmer unions at his parliament office, where the farmers expressed concerns over the recent India-US trade deal. Now, according to Gandhi, the agreement could negatively impact Indian agriculture, particularly corn, soybean, cotton, fruit and nut farming. The farmers also demanded a nationwide movement to oppose the deal and safeguard their rights and incomes. Now, reacting to Rahul Gandhi's remarks, the Bharatiya Janata Party has dismissed his claims as fake and fabricated, accusing the opposition leader of trying to mislead the farmers by spreading propaganda against the agreement. Let's take a look.
राहुल गांधी हर रोज झूठ बोलने की एक नई परंपरा शुरू करे। हमारे नेता और देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने यूरोपियन यूनियन और इंग्लैंड के साथ किए हुए फ्री ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट और अमेरिका के साथ किए हुए ट्रेड डील से हमारे देश के मछुआरों का सबसे बड़ा फायदा होने वाला है। राहुल गांधी जी देश के मछुआरों और किसानों को गुमराह करना चाहते हैं। वो झूठ बोलकर भ्रांति फैलाना चाहते हैं। राहुल गांधी जी ट्रेड डील और एफटीए की बारीकियों को ध्यान से देखिए। नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने हमारे देश के किसानों को और पशुपालकों को 100% प्रोटेक्शन देने का काम किया है। इस एफटीए से और ट्रेड डील से हमारे किसानों को कोई नुकसान नहीं होने वाला है। किसानों का नुकसान आपकी मनमोहन सिंह सरकार के वक्त किया था। कई ऐसे वैश्विक समझौते किए जिसमें किसानों के हितों को बेच दिया गया था।
Was this the toughest parliamentary session as Parliamentary Affairs Minister that you faced?
No, I think as a member of Parliament, everybody has to participate and everybody has to represent their people. But when somebody, in this case like Rahul Gandhi ji, tries to enforce his will without following the rule, then it becomes difficult for the government to handle him, because we are allowing every member as per rules. We want to run the house as per the rules of procedure and conduct of business, which is well defined. But when Rahul Gandhi ji doesn't follow the rules, then it becomes difficult, because his supporters and his well-wishers don't know the rules of the parliament. So they think that government is obstructing Rahul Gandhi. So somebody should tell that Rahul Gandhi is not following the rules. But because of that, there are other factors, like the smaller parties become victims. They don't get a chance to speak.
Let me now do a reality check on Rahulji's fakery and expose him and his friends for misguiding our innocent, hardworking Annadatas whose interests have been fully protected by the Modi government in the India-US trade deal. And this is an agreement that will help our farmers, fishermen, hardworking youth, MSMEs, startups, artisans, and Vishwakarmas. I've already announced many times that soya meal and maize, that is corn, has not been given any concession whatsoever, and hence does not hurt any farmer's interests. The fact is, when Congress was in government, India used to import nearly $20 billion of agricultural products. Mr. Rahul Gandhi, जवाब दो, कब तक झूठ बोलते रहोगे?
संसद चलाने की जिम्मेदारी विपक्ष की नहीं होती, सरकार की होती। यह बात आप भी बखूबी समझते हैं, ओवैसी साहब भी जानते हैं, हम सब भी समझते हैं। सरकार चाहती ही नहीं है कि संसद सुचारू रूप से चले, क्योंकि अगर संसद चलेगा तो सरकार की पोल हर मिनट खुलेगी, क्योंकि विपक्ष के पास सवाल बहुत हैं, देश के मन में सवाल बहुत हैं। जिनको विपक्ष वहां उठाता है संसद में।